Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Outdoor Culinary Adventures. Are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure that's guaranteed to tantalize your taste buds and impress your friends and family? Today, I'm taking you on a journey to make the ultimate one-pan potato latke with a twist, smoked salmon. This dish is not only delicious but also incredibly easy to make. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. It's a perfect blend of crispy, savory, and smoky flavors. First things first, let's talk ingredients. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity and the quality of the ingredients. You'll need some good old russet potatoes, an onion, a couple of eggs, a bit of flour, salt, pepper, and of course some heavenly smoked salmon. Make sure to get the best quality smoked salmon you can find, it makes all the difference. Now grab your grater because it's time to get shredding. This is where the magic begins. Start by peeling and grating those potatoes. The finer you grate them, the crispier your latkes will be. Be sure to squeeze out as much moisture as you can, because nobody likes a soggy latke. Use a clean kitchen towel or cheesecloth to wring out the excess water. Next, grate the onion and mix it in with the potatoes. The onion adds a wonderful depth of flavor to the latkes. Now, crack those eggs, add a couple of tablespoons of flour, season with salt and pepper, and mix everything together. The eggs and flour will help bind the mixture together. You should have a nice, thick latke batter ready to go. Alright, let's get cooking. This is where the fun really starts. Heat up a generous amount of oil in your favorite non-stick pan until it's shimmering. The oil needs to be hot enough to give the latkes that perfect crispy texture. For each latke, scoop out a small mound of the potato mixture and flatten it down in the pan. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 3-4 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and crispy. Oh, the sizzle! It's a sound that promises deliciousness. It's music to my ears. The aroma is simply irresistible. Now, here comes the exciting part, assembling our masterpiece. This is where you can get creative and make each latke look like a work of art. Place your crispy latkes on a serving plate and let them cool for just a moment. This will help them firm up a bit. Once they're ready to handle, top each latke with a generous slice of smoked salmon. The contrast between the crispy latke and the silky salmon is out of this world. The combination of the crunchy latke and the silky smoky salmon is simply divine. It's a match made in culinary heaven. Want to take it up a notch? Let's add some finishing touches. Add a dollop of sour cream or creme fraiche on top of the salmon and garnish with some fresh dill or chives. These little additions elevate the dish to a whole new level. It's like a little party on a plate. But wait, there's more. We're not done yet. Here's a quick tip for an extra burst of flavor. Squeeze a little lemon juice over the top. The acidity cuts through the richness and adds a refreshing zing to each bite. It's the perfect finishing touch. So there you have it, folks. A dish that's as beautiful as it is delicious. The ultimate one-pan potato latke adventure with smoked salmon. It's perfect for brunch, dinner, or even a fancy appetizer at your next gathering. Your guests will be impressed and your taste buds will thank you. Simple ingredients, one pan, and a whole lot of deliciousness. What more could you ask for? Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. I can't wait to hear about your culinary adventures. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty adventures. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, happy cooking. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process.